For this project, you will need 9-inch squares of fabric A, 9-inch squares of fabric B. I used white for this project. And you will need your half square triangle paper. This one will make 3.5-inch finished half square triangles. You will also need a rotary blade cutter and a tracing wheel for scoring the paper. All right, let's get started. To prepare your paper, by using a tracing wheel to go ahead and score these stitching lines so it will be easier to peel off. Going to be using this on the stitching line. So you're just gonna go ahead and do this. Take your ruler and your rotary blade, and you're simply going to square up. Then you're going to cut down the middle line. Now you're simply going to tear along the edge, and the other side will come off as well. And there you go. You're going to press gently, being careful to go in an up and down motion. This block is going to finish at 3.5 inches. So you're just going to go ahead and line up on that diagonal line and cut and turn it around. And you're going to cut again, making sure that it lines up at 3.5 inches square. And that's it. You're all done. And then you have your nice block.